This presentation is about revising for paragraph unity. As you might expect, readers would want information in a paragraph to be around one idea, or a controlling idea. So, all details should relate and develop that one idea. So when a paragraph has 1, a controlling idea, and 2, details that relate to and develop that idea, it's said to have paragraph unity. And while that may seem elementary or even obvious, it's important to remember this because you can counter much writing that lacks paragraph unity. So first, start with a controlling idea by making it explicit, then relate all details to that idea. Also, follow through with the controlling idea, both in the order that the details are given and in the presence of the details. So if a controlling idea hints at a certain order of details, it should follow that order and not deviate from it. Also, if the controlling idea hints at certain details that will need to be there, ensure that they are there. Here's an example of a paragraph that lacks unity because it lacks a controlling idea. Take a moment to read it. You can sense that these are a lot of details about this person, perhaps on a job letter, but you're not quite sure what their main point is or what the controlling idea is. Now, there's a new first sentence, and you can sense that it's much better. My background in cross-country skiing will complement my academic preparation and marketing. In other words, that controlling idea is then supported by all the details that you read earlier. Here's an example of a paragraph that lacks unity because the details don't follow the controlling idea. So here's the controlling idea. To reach the objective outlined in this proposal, both primary and secondary research will be used. Take a moment to read the rest, and can you sense why it lacks unity? This paragraph lacks unity because the controlling idea hints at an order of details, but the details don't follow that order. The controlling idea says that first primary and then secondary research will be discussed and then following details, but the writer chose to start with secondary research in the second sentence. So simply changing these out and to follow the order would give this unity again. Here the details follow the order hinted at in the controlling idea. A very simple revision. It's important to group details into manageable units. This is a very common author mistake when developing their content. They'll put many details in that paragraph in order to support that controlling idea, which is good, but what they end up doing is making the paragraph very long and cumbersome for the reader. So breaking these details into separate paragraphs, each with their own controlling ideas, will make it easier for the reader to see the forest for the trees, or how the details relate to a central idea. As you can sense simply from this paragraph, it's quite large, and it's addressing lots of topics. So an easy way to revise it would be to break it up. You can sense how the new first sentences control the paragraph, and the details that follow go with that controlling idea. Plus, these are much shorter paragraphs. So that's how you revise for paragraph unity.